Well, this very well could be the end of Uber. Please thumbs up this video so more people can hear it and more people can be aware that drivers deserve more money. So thumbs up the video if you think drivers need more money. We got a lot to cover today, my friends. Wanted to jump right in and just get started really quickly. Firstly, I did want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a company that helps drivers get paid more money. They help you earn more money, gig workers. They have a mileage tracking system, and when you sign up right now, they're gonna give you $15 as a free promo. As all you gotta do is link your driver account. They're a really awesome app. They're new and they're helping gig workers earn more money. So check out Solo with our link below. Get your $15 just for signing up. And now let's get started. So, wow, this is really scary, guys. This is going absolutely viral on Reddit right now. About a certain thing that happened in a car during an Uber ride. This Uber driver, he posted this anonymously, obviously for safety concerns, privacy concerns, but he says, I had a couple of passengers last night decide to remove both of their shorts and give each other blankety blank in the back seat. My dash cam is registered and visible with recording light. I have reported this to Uber and provided them the video. I've requested a cleaning fee to replace the seat cover and for my time disinfecting the seat. Yeah, no duh. This certain thing has a form of liquid, if you know what I mean. Should I send the video and their information to the local police? You can pretty much see all of her and him. Yikes. Ew. Since Uber doesn't properly ID riders, what is going to stop her from making a new account under a fake name? Did you know that I have a friend? Well, you don't know this, but I have a friend. Her Uber name is Kanye. Her name is not Kanye West or Kanye. And Uber's like, she's been doing rides all these times and nobody's ever said anything. Why do we as drivers need to give our information, but passengers don't? It's 2022. Shouldn't they get caught up with this? This is, and as, yeah, like they said, you know, they get deactivated and then they just make a new account. These comments are crazy. I'll need to take a look at this video in order to comment. Please upload now. And then he said, think 50-year-old meth head. It wasn't pretty. Wow. Really scary stuff. Now, this was also shared in our Uber drivers Facebook group. How does the full-time drivers afford to pay the bills, rent, inflation, etc. when it is slow seasons? AKA the summer when people are not in school right now. People are not working as much. A lot of jobs are off for the summer, seasonal. And with that being said, gas prices are through the roof, spending more expenses with less earnings, and Uber refuses to pay more. Uber, pay up. Gas is going up. Expenses to live is going up. Expenses to pay rent. Groceries are so expensive now. I can't believe now, like, you go anywhere to get a meal and it's like $15 minimum. Like, it used to be you can go and get a burger and fries for like $5. Now you're paying $14 for a burger and fries. It's like, these companies have to raise their prices because Joe Biden keeps printing money, keeps sending more and more money to Ukraine. Inflation's going up, gas prices going up, and these restaurants, they're paying these workers, minimum wage workers, or, you know, you're paying these people to flip burgers, 20 bucks an hour. They're just sitting there twiddling their thumbs at the cash register, whatever. Or, you know, at 24-hour fitness, they're making $18 an hour just standing up there. They don't even greet you when you walk in. It's like, I'm sorry, I can rant all day long, but it's like, when things have started to go up, companies pay their drivers more. And you know who hasn't started paying their drivers more? Uber, Lyft, all these companies. The rates are staying the same. The data's there, the statistics are there. There's a reason why the minimum wage goes up every single year because of inflation. It costs more to live. Uber and Lyft need to raise their rates every single year. They should be doing that, giving drivers raises. Instead, they don't, and more drivers are quitting, and more drivers keep signing up. It's gonna get to a point where, you know, things are gonna get so expensive, and Uber's, I don't know, it's just mind-boggling that they haven't raised the rates, and it's really, really unfortunate. So, and yeah, there's dangerous things that happen all the time. People with, you know, there's just data that was just released about how many fatalities have happened in Uber rides. Anyways, I'll rant on for 45 minutes, and I know you guys got stuff to do, so I'll end the video there. But what do you guys think about this? I mean, there has to be a time where Uber says, you know what, we're gonna raise the rates, we're gonna, you know, actually help out drivers. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Again, check out our sponsor, Solo, the Solo app. It's a new app. It helps you literally streamline all your finances, helps you save more money for taxes. And again, when you sign up, you get 15 bucks with our unique link. That's a limited time, so check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are great. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.